Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. If you are an OG, you remember I used to just sit. This is back when I was in college. I used to sit in the car with like an iPhone and just talk. And I really want to just update you guys because I'm getting so many positive comments. I'm getting so many DMs. And bro, I am so glad that I could be a part of your journey to honestly growing. Life is like a constant journey of growing. It has its ups, it has its downs. It's really a roller coaster. And I just want to get into number one, a lot of you guys keep asking, yo, Mike, why are you selling your shoes? And I have no problem with you asking that, right? I'm selling my shoes to pay off my debt. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I have very large student loans, my car, just stuff that I really want to pay and no longer be a slave to just feeling like I owe someone. Time is really made up. When you owe somebody, when you have to pay every month, it puts this unnecessary pressure on life. And I don't want that anymore. And I'm glad I figured it out now at 25. So my main purpose, guys, is really just to provide you with as much value as possible. I love sneakers, bro. Don't get me wrong. A sneaker life, bro. Sneakers have given me an opportunity to be able to just literally fly around the world, fly around the country and meet so many of you guys. And it's been phenomenal. And so many different networking opportunities and just things that have arose just from sneakers. It's phenomenal. But it's just like anything, guys. I've been doing this since 2010, a long, long time. And there's only so many sneakers that can truly just get you excited. I've seen everything. I've seen the Air Mags. When you first get in the sneaker game and you see a pair of Yeezy 2s or Air Mags, and it's just something that's unobtainable at the time. I remember my first ever sneaker event. I saw some Yeezy 2s and I was like, yo, man, how much are those? And he's like, yo, I paid $3,500. And I'm thinking to myself, 3,500, bro? What? I'll never make that in my life. That's how I felt. I was a young kid. And just to go from that to getting my first pair, I've probably had 5 of those at this point. And I didn't pay that much because I have a brain, but I've made some bad financial mistakes and I've learned from them. But I'm just saying, that's how it is as a young kid. When you don't make money, everything just kind of seems almost limitless. Oh man. But when you start making money, things get a little more difficult. So it's not as fulfilling to me to just sit and talk about a sneaker. That's why I've been doing eBay tutorials. That's why I do how to style, because it fulfills me, right? It helps you guys. That's what kind of content, that's what I feel like God put me on this earth for, that reason. The situation, sometimes in life you feel victimized. You feel why is this happening to me? I look at it as, man, why did I have so many injuries in college? Why do I have all this debt? Why is this happening to me? But then I have this huge audience of 500,000 subscribers. I got 70,000 followers on Instagram. And it's not like I just tried so hard to get them. It just kind of happened. So God, I'm realizing I'm here for a purpose, and that's to help you guys. That's for me to go through this journey of life and, pay off this debt, climb these barriers and teach you along the way. I want to put everybody on. I think a lot of people forget that we all can eat. I love sneakers, bro. I love fashion. I love that this community, or that this is a community, that we all can come together and just find so much joy within something so simple as a shoe, and we can all be friends and just challenge each other and, set goals and just talk about things. But I think there's another barrier to sneakers that we don't talk about. What about finances? What about the rest of life? I want the sneakers. I want to travel. I want to be dressed nicely all the time. And I also want to enjoy life and not owe anybody. So how do you get to that point? And that's the real question. And that's something that I'm constantly trying to figure out myself. I'm always trying to grow. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw the podcast recommendations. You saw the books that I read. I want to provide you guys value. I appreciate every single one of you. I just wanted to do this video. I wanted to sit here and just talk. It's me and you, this is what's going on in my life. Things are good. I am working. I don't do YouTube full time now. I also have deals under cost. I get brand deals. There's a lot more than just this small egg that used to be my main source of income. So I have the St. Michael brand. I got another brand coming. I have so many different side hustles. So if you guys want to get to a certain level, it really is just about how much work you put into it. And I'm going to be talking about all of this. I'm going to go over it. It's a new chapter, man. It really is. And I know a lot of you guys grew up with me. Maybe some of you are younger than me and you just don't know what you want to do. And just don't let Instagram or, other influences from YouTube distract you and make you think that you're not doing your best, because you are. I just want to teach you guys how to be smart with your money, how to really be in the best position, because I'm working on it myself. I want everyone to get to a point where, oh, the new Travis Scotts just came out. Dang, I didn't get them for retail, but I got some money. I got some like fun money in the bank. Let me drop a rack on those. It's fun. Like, you don't even got to worry about it. Like, imagine being at that point, right? And I'm not saying things are all about materials and all that. I'm just saying, like, imagine that life where, dang, I didn't get those shoes. I really like them. I'm just going to buy them. No problem. Like, versus, man, I really like these. Hey, bro, they asking 1,000, but I want to get them for 600. I really shouldn't pay 600 because I got my car payment. I got my student loan payment. I got my rent due. Versus, everything else is paid. I've been doing my work. I want those shoes. 1,000, let me get them. Like, I think that's how life should be. And obviously it's not that easy, but we just live in a time where it's possible, right? Like, it's really possible for everyone. So that's where I'm at, guys. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the videos. Like I said, you can always constantly, whenever you comment on videos, just drop an idea. Maybe there's something that you want to know. Drop the idea. In the previous, like a couple videos ago, you guys killed it with the comments. Like, I have so many topics and video ideas that I'm going to go over, and I will for sure hit them. So that's what I want you guys to know. Like, just drop a comment. But yeah, let me know down below in the comment, man, where are you at in life? Like, what's going on? How old are you? Where are you from? I see the little view number go up, but I don't know who's watching. So let me know. I just want this year to be growth for all of us. Because honestly, if you're not growing, if you're hating life, you look in the mirror and you're not happy, you got to change up the formula. I don't know exactly what I can tell you to change that formula. Everyone's different. I went through it myself, but day by day, all you got to do is put your best foot forward and it'll work out. There you guys have it, man. That's just my thoughts. That was on my spirit today. So we in here, yay for the one time. Man, I appreciate you guys. If you're new to the channel, if you're just seeing this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, YouTube be tripping, bro. So basically what I'm hearing, which honestly, I don't care, whatever. But a lot of you guys, I even see comments. You're like, bro, I'm subscribed, but I'm not seeing your videos for like 3 weeks later. So I guess you got to hit that notification bell. That's what is the word now. But your best bet is, honestly, even when I post on social media, I don't even tell you guys I got a new video. I don't know. You could just hit that button if you want to get notified, and hopefully it works, but no guarantees, man. You guys can just follow me on all my social medias, and usually on Twitter is the best to like contact me and also get video notifications. So Twitter's the GOAT. Twitter's undefeated, bro.